For me, when it comes to things like Prime Day, Black Friday, or like today, Prime Big Deal Day, for me, it's all about those higher price items that I want to save a little bit on. And for me, that's skincare. So here are my favorite skincare and beauty products on deal today. The Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, the PMD Smart Cleansing Device. I have two different cleansers that are on deal today. I love them both. I feel like people are not talking about anymore, which is such an important part of your skincare routine, is toner. I love this one from Perricone MD. Hyaluronic acid, this one from Image is fantastic. If you are looking to up your skincare routine, you need to look at microcurrent devices. This one is the Ferrero Bear Mini or Mini Bear. This is Paula's Choice BHA. It's a chemical exfoliant. These are the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. And probably one of the most viral products on deal today is going to be the Laneige Sleep Mask. I will have a full list of all my favorite beauty and skincare finds on my Amazon storefront and also in my stories. Also, if there's something you're looking for, let me know below and I will happily find it.